Welcome back, and this is another Larte edition video, and we are happy to present you the brand new project done at Larte Design in-house. Let me give you a quick teaser right here. Can you already guess what I'm talking about here by looking at this color, or maybe having a look at the special forged wheels? If you haven't guessed yet, let me show it to you. This is the brand new Larte Design project done in-house in Germany for Lamborghini URUS SE. Just have a look at this amazing, bright project. Now it's time to have a look in detail. In today's video, just as always, I will be walking through this project and I will be showing you all the details and all the modifications done on this car. We'll first have a look at the front, then the side and the rear view of this exclusive project. And by the way, this car and this project was completed for the Geneva Supercar Show, just to show this exclusive look in life. So let's start talking about it in detail. Let's start this walk around today by having a look at the front of this project. Now, as you can already see, this is a full transformation done from 100% carbon fiber. Now, all the parts that you see on this car done at Larte Design have been produced and developed by our team in Germany. So this is a top quality, and by the way, also next quality and OEM perfect fitment. So let's have a closer look and start looking at this hood. By the way, this hood was developed for this URUS model. This is the URUS SE model, and by the way, this project is called L'Agenda. It's time to show you all the fitment lines right here. Just have a look. This is just like the original hood, having this additional extra lines and design elements right here. By the way, the original SE hood does not have this inserts. We went one step further and have developed them also in carbon fiber just to complete this aggressive look, also having this air outtakes in the middle here. By the way, the water perfectly comes through, the water does not stay in the middle, and also in the front we've got special Larte Design logo just to make it even more special and truly amazing. So let's continue also talking about the rest of the parts done for the front of this car. So having a look right and in the middle, we've got here this front insert also in carbon fiber just to complete and match the hood look right here. Also going to the sides, the carbon fiber part perfectly continues here on the side and also here. So this is a complete carbon fiber look. As you can see, we have replaced almost all the glossy black parts on the front. And looking at the bottom, we've got here also the front splitter. By the way, this is the new version also developed for the URUS SE model. The front splitter has got even more deep aggressive lines on the front and making your URUS look now deeper and closer to the ground and not having this soft look. So let us guys know, how do you like, first of all, this color combination? This is a special Viola Mithras color, original from Lamborghini, and also having this perfect match with the carbon fiber done by Larte Design. And also to get a closer look on the inside of this hood, let me show it to you. Let's now open it and have a look together. As I already mentioned, all the parts are made from 100% carbon fiber. And let's also have a look how it looks on the inside. So as you can see, this hood is a complete perfection made from 100% carbon fiber. Have a look on this hood. There is the special Larte Design logo also in carbon fiber, in addition with this one on the front. And as I always mention, all our parts are also functional, and if you have a closer look again, you will see that all the fasteners and all the features have been replaced from the original Lamborghini URUS to the Larte Design hood, therefore keeping all the functionality and guaranteeing you, first of all, the safety while driving the sporty and fast SUV. So before we start talking about the rear, let me first show you the side updates on this Lamborghini URUS. First of all, let's focus on this part right here. So as we just talked about the front, let me also show you and mention one more thing here. On the side of the front splitter, we've got the side fins, which have also got the Larte Design logo here. And this carbon fiber part perfectly continues with the side elements here going into the side mountings on the button. First of all, let me show you and focus on this area right here. Here we've got the side parts, which are, by the way, perfectly replaced with the original ones, and the installation is super easy and a quick process, which we already showed you in detail in the previous video. So have a look if you're interested to see how this works also on the technical perspective. But let me show you the details here. As you can already see, these parts have got interesting geometrical lines here going in this direction, but also in this. Therefore, these parts highlight the speed and maximum exclusivity of this vehicle. And as you can see on the button, there's even more carbon fiber. These are the side mountings with additional aerodynamic features here, which are, by the way, an interesting puzzle part right here. Super interesting and unusual for production. Also having here the Larte Design logo on the button, and this carbon fiber look continues also here on the sides, repeating and continuing these side lines over here. Also, of course, having the special Larte Design logo there as well. And to continue the side profile of carbon fiber pieces, we have also added the carbon fiber here on the mirror cup. This is a two-piece mirror cup, which, as you can see, definitely continues and perfectly matches the overall carbon fiber look right here. And an additional side touch on this car are the special 23-inch Larte Design forged wheels. And as you can see, also here we have added special carbon fiber solution just to match the overall upgrade on this car. If you have a closer look, you will see that this special forged wheel is painted in the matte black color, also having the Larte Design logo in the middle and the special signature logo here on the side. And in addition to this look, as I already mentioned, we've got an interesting carbon fiber ring over here just to highlight this massive and premium look on this car. And finally, it is now time to also talk about the rear appearance in detail. As you can already see here on the top, we have developed two additional spoilers on this Lamborghini URUS SE. As you can see, these spoilers definitely add and highlight the aerodynamics of this car, also having this extra and additional interesting design lines over here. Now, this is the engineering piece of art. Also on the sides, we've got additional Larte Design logos, and this geometrical part just highlights the sportness of this SUV. Also, having a look at the button, you can see that these lines perfectly complement each other and adding these additional edges and having it look even more structure. Now, in addition to these spoilers on the top, also on the button, there has been a new rear bumper diffuser developed for this Lamborghini URUS model. As you can see, just like as on all of our projects done at Larte Design, we have also done here and added the special Larte Design signature, which are the brake lights. Now, as you can see, these are perfectly visible right here. Also, what I would like to mention here, this is once again an engineering piece of art. Have a look here in the middle. We've got an opening here, which is super thin and tiny, which is also once again really complex for production. However, we have made it possible adding this interesting design feature over here. Also, have a look in the middle. We've got here the Larte Design logo over here. By the way, as you have a look here, you'll also see that the sensors and all the cameras have been kept on this project, just like on all the other projects developed in-house. And one last thing about this rear view, what I would like to mention here, also the exhaust tips which have been developed and designed for this project are also done in carbon fiber. Now, these are the three-piece exhaust tips. However, on the top, you've got the cover, which is once again made from 100% carbon fiber, just to complete and match this overall carbon fiber look. So now we have watched and had a look at this project in detail, and now we come to the end of this video. But I would like to mention here that all the parts that you have seen on this car have been developed and produced in Germany by Larte Design. By the way, our headquarters is located in Düsseldorf in Germany, and if you would like to see, feel and touch all the parts in real life, do not hesitate and come to our headquarters. We're here and we'll be happy to welcome you here. Also, I would like to mention that all the parts are available individually, so if you like a specific element, it's also possible to add to your car. And now it's it for today's video. Let me also show you the interior really quick. Just have a look how this interior perfectly matches with the exterior of this special color done by Lamborghini. This is a beautiful and great work done by Lamborghini. And now let's finish off this video by listening to the sound of this Lamborghini URUS and seeing how it matches to the overall upgrade of this car.